Hi, today is Friday, October 23rd. Today we do not have a live session, remember. We just have this assignment for you to work on. So make sure you watch this video so that you understand how to do your assignment. If you have any questions, send me a Schoology message. Thanks.
What you are going to do is you are going to open the Acrobat number line recording sheet and put it in Notability. So we'll start by doing that. I'm going to send it to Notability. I'm going to do an example with you just so that we make sure we all know what we are doing. All right. And then we are also going to open the link to the Acrobat number line. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to send this to Safari just so that I have that and Notability open. And I can kind of do it all at once. Okay, so what did we call that? Acrobat number line. So I guess before we start this, I want to read you the problem. So this is called crossing the tightrope. Cecil is an acrobat in a local circus. His job is to move across a tightrope from point A to point B while blindfolded. He can only move using the distances that you tell him to move in your instructions. He will need to reach the end of the tightrope, point B, to take his bow and go down a ladder. Assume that the platforms on both sides of the tightrope extend infinitely, so they have no end. Cecil can go past the ladder. However, if he does, make sure he turns around and goes back towards the ladder. Your task is to work with your team to find different combinations of the lengths given in parts A through E below that will allow Cecil to move from point A and end at point B, the end of the tightrope. You may use each length as many times as you like. So, page 2 is the recording sheet. So our tightrope is 24 feet long, and we get to use lengths that are 2, 4, 8, and 10 feet long. So here's how we are going to do that. We're going to open this back up, and here we go. Luckily, this one already is set up for us. So we see that we can use 2, but we can also use -2. So +2 moves us to the right and -2 moves us to the left. That's going to be the case for any positive and negative that you work with. So we want to get to 24. So an option that I have, I could go 2, 2, 10, and 10. And then once we are ready, we can play that. And we landed exactly on 24. Now, here's where I want to have Notability open. Now that I've found one that works and I have that confirmation that I got it correct, I am going to put my possible solutions in here. So I'm just going to write exactly what I saw. So I had 2 plus 2 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, so that's one possibility. Sorry. That's one possibility. And if we remember and go back, we want to find more than one combination. It says to find different combinations. So you should find at least 2. And so this time I'm going to try to use some negatives in my answer. I'm going to add a different solution. I'm going to say that I'm going to go I'm going to go +8, then I'm going to go backwards 4, then I'm going to go to 10, and so if I go forward 8 and back 4, then I'd be on 4, then forward 10 would be 14, so if I go forward another 8, I'd be at 22, and then 2 more. Let's play it and see what happens. So I landed it again. So this time I'm going to write down this solution. So I had 8 plus -4 plus 10 plus 8 plus 2. So that's 2 solutions. Again, I can add another one. Maybe I want to go forward 2, backward 2. Forward 8, backward 10. Go forward 4 times. Then go forward 8. Go forward 2 and see where I land. And I landed that one again, so I can add this one as well. So I have 2 plus -2 plus 8 plus -10 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2. So all 3 of those solutions got me to the number line. Now, you're going to go to the next one, and this one...
To the next one, you got to click up here in the top left, this little like page notebook looking thing. So right there, and click Choose Puzzle. So you already did this one, the 24 feet, so do the next one, and that's 17, and it's got your different options there. So you'll go through and finish that one, and you'll finish each of these ones that are on your worksheet, okay? So make sure you complete each of those and find at least 2, maybe 3 different ways to make each of those numbers with the different options that are here. And remember, you can use a positive number or a negative number, and at least one of your solutions for each of those should have at least one negative jump, just so that you can practice that. If you have any questions, make sure you send me a Schoology message. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.